everybody, welcome back to our channel Art for Kids. Today I'm going to show you how to draw palm trees.
So we are going to use a black canvas and we are going to paint with white acrylic colors. So can you show the brush that you're going to use? So this is the flat brush and we have to dip paint on the tip of it. So she's just making marks right now. Yeah, you can go a little more up. Yeah, and then that's good. And then don't take paint, just drag down the paint that you have. Yeah. So she's just dragging it down, and as you can see, it looks like the palm tree already. So next step, she is going to add the leaves. So just make an X. Make it a little longer. Yeah. Yeah. So this is how it should look. And then she's going to add the leaves to it. So she's just using the tip. So as you can see, we just took paint one time and it's enough for doing it for the whole tree. So just keep going like this for all the leaves. The more leaves you add, the fuller it will look, and that looks much pretty and much real. So I think you have to drag down this one too. Yeah. So that's one tree, and then she's going to draw another tree across like an X. And then just do the same thing. So next she's going to use a sponge to make a moon. Yeah, right there. Yeah. Yes, that looks good. Yeah. And then I think that's good, Nimisha. Don't overwork it. It's fine. So, and then you wanted to do a horizon, right? So yeah, can you do some on the horizon as well? So we have used just the flat brush, and all you need to do is flick it up and it looks like a grass. Yeah, I think that's enough. And yeah, so we are like almost done with our painting, right? Yeah.
I'm done with the painting, so I hope you all liked the video. Please don't forget to try this at home. Please like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.